That's po, so hindi ako makapasok sa production kasi dami ng ginawa ko. Yan. Yan pa. Actually, meron pa tayong ipoproduce tomorrow. So, ngayon, ito lang muna kasi, again, maliit lang yung space. Wala kasi akong kalalagyan. So, ganun Tad's Pool, no? And then, naubusan na kami ng tape. So, we'll be packing some products and then put it in the frame. So, ganun. So, if you are interested to avail our promo while we still having our promo, grab it now. Kasi sayang din naman. Malaki yung discount. Tapos, free shipping pa siya. So, limited time offer only because material based lang po tayo and then we will only charge you add-on charges for special edits, special layouts, ganun. For standard, stable po natin yung price. Yan. So, we'll be shipping more products for this week. Hintayin na lang po kasi again, 1 month show lang po tayo. Yan. Yan po. And then, yung iba, i-produce pa natin, print pa natin. Kasi yung na-print po sa akin na black and white, iba po kasi yung color niya. Naging brown instead of this. Naging brown siya. So, hindi po natin pwede ibigay sa customer na brown yung color. Diba? So, yan mga Tad's Pool, no? So, wala na po akong space. So, medyo basa pa to. Then, after na ma-dry to, mga siguro tomorrow, ilalagyan na natin yan sa mga frames. Tapos, para mapack na po siya, picturean. And then, ganun siya. Ito yung mga waste natin. Yan, ito mga sira. As you can see. Yan. Nasira kasi to sa pag-produce. Yan. Nasira to sa pag-produce. Pero nasa customer na po yan lahat. They already received the item. Yun. So, I have to replace it. And that's how it is. So, hindi madali. Pero, haban lang. Kahit wala tayong machine sa ngayon, kaya tayo kumakayod ng maigi para makabili ng sarili natin machine. Okay? So, we'll be shipping more products. For this week, nasa 50 pieces na naman. Last week, we already ship out. Nasa 50 pieces din yon. So, ganun lang mga Tad's Pool, no? Tawag dito. Hindi po natin pwede isagad lahat kasi, you know, as you can see, maliit lang yung space. And pahintay na lang po talaga. And don't worry, wala po tayong tawag dito. Wala po tayong i-disregard ng mga orders, okay? Lalo na sa mga special edits. Again guys, special edits, medyo mahirap talaga siya gawin. Hinahanapan pa natin yan ng lawas na mga damit, like that, blah blah, para mag-coincide sa lahat. Ganon. Okay? So, we'll be producing more. So, good thing. Yung dati kong pinagprintan na actually tatlo sila. Tatlo na ngayon yung advertising na pinagprintan ko ng mga pictures. Yung pinakauna talaga na pinagprintan ko, good thing, maganda yung color or output na, you know, tawag dito, binibigay nila sa akin. Okay? So, maganda na siya. So, I'm still waiting for the other one para at least, you know, we have backups kung hindi kaya sa oras, hindi kaya sa manpower, like that. Yun. So, ilalagay pa natin to sa mga frames. Ito, sobrang dami din. Yan, ito na yung mga na-dry. As you can see guys, I am promoting my products with artistas, with famous people because I need to. Because, you know, like I'm in a rush para at least makapili po tayo ng sarili nating machine. Sana maintindihan nyo. And this is what we call marketing strategy naman. Okay? So guys, maybe it's for free sa kanila. Pero, you know, at least they could promote my products free. I mean, I will not spend too much money. Kasi hindi kasi madali ang magpapapromote ng product guys. I will tell you that. I spent thousands before when I boost my products using Facebook. Okay? Pero ngayon, I have this this mindset na why I should choose Facebook where I can find someone who are more again capable, to promote my products easily. Yan. So kaya I am using, I am giving free products to vloggers, to artistas, famous people like that. So that's how it is, guys. Again, I am just nobody and medyo mahirap talaga pero lalaban tayo. Okay, ganyan siya, guys, no. Ipapadry ko pa yan. Yan. So maliit lang yung space natin dito. Medyo basa pa yung floor. As you can see, guys, medyo nasisira na yung paa natin. Yan, yung mga skin ko nag-change na siya kasi parating basa. So I'll be buying lotions and anyway. I have experienced this before na, so I know how to solve this skin problem. So yun lang mga Tadspol. Again, maraming salamat po sa mga customers na na nag-orders. Okay, and then I'll be sending layouts today, soft copies today. So again, guys, so that's how it is. It's not easy to manage this bit because this is just a one-man show. Okay, one-man business. Okay, so ako lang yung nagle-layout, tapos hindi ko maasahan yun yung asawa ko na mag-produce kasi again, may mga bata na binabantayan. Tapos ganun. Yun lang, no. Again, pasensya na po talaga kung may extended dates. And sana, I'm so happy naman na yung mga customers talaga, they are, being patient and they know na legit tayo. And at the same time, they know na we are working with their pictures properly, nicely. Okay, kasi again, this will reflect me as an artist, as a graphic artist, na pag i-display niyo yan sa inyong wall, we need to make sure na maganda siya, and then maraming makakapag-appreciate ng pictures ninyo sa wall. Okay, again, lifetime po ito, so I need to make sure na maganda talaga siya. Kasi again, lifetime, that means you will only spend once for that picture, just don't damage it. Okay? Purposely. Okay, so ganun lang. So again, maraming salamat mga Tadspol sa pag-order. And if you are interested availing the products, Lifetime Photo Sintra Canvas, okay, by JB Tads with special edits, okay. Again, grab it now while naka-promo pa po tayo. Again, thank you so much again. This is your JB Tads time check. It's at time check. Okay. I'm really speechless because I I don't know how to say a lot of things. Yeah. But, I'm so happy and flattered that vloggers, famous people that has millions of followers are able to recognize us. Okay? So, unti-unti na po tayong nakikilala ng mga tao nationwide. These are not possible without Lord. Thank you so much for everything that you have done to me, to my family. I appreciate your help, your effort, your blessings. Again, wala po to lahat kung hindi binigay ni Lord ang gift of wisdom kung paano to gagawin. Okay. So, ganun siya mga Tadspol, no? Maraming salamat po. Grab yours now while naka-promo pa po tayo. Bye-bye!